how did you get into STEM in the first place?
I always had a really strong love for science and an awesome chemistry teacher. You'd bring in a Barbie doll and she'd put it in like the different types of acids. Even during the workshop, I sort of came across some, casual sexism type stuff. But now I'm able to actually teach Arduino workshops and sort of bridge across a lot of the barriers that I faced when I was trying to learn, which feels really good. And we're asking each one as we go, can you make more colors on circuit board? Every time the translator would come back and be like, okay, so they've said, why would you want to do that? Circuit board is for function, not for pretty. And so he's a little companion robot.
Like a little sort of fat little crow. So does it have a name?
Russell Crowe.
That is amazing.